to me about Dalel Shangan, since something like this, it was very easy for me with it, to create something like this. So if piano comes more in terms of, because I'm a DJ, but when it comes to something so full and relaxed, it's gonna be on the Afro Pop.
All right. Ndiyafuna uchekisha ke apha ku-2023 I think sisheke about 5 months ukuthi unyaka uphele. Singalindela ntoni kuNkanyezi before the end of the year? Singalindela ntoni kuwe apha ku-2023 before aphele? Any mhlambi ke EP okanye album enophuma soon? Yene uyophinde waqhawuka ke uNkanyezi kanye ke xa sibe kanti ke sizama ukumfumana. All right, mphulaphula sekhaya khumble ke sincokola ke nemvumi yethu 26 kaJuly 2023 apha ke ngolwesithathu ke entsukwini sesawuqhubezela nje uba ingoma yakhe ifumaneka kanjani, noko ke okuninzi sele sikunqokole naye ke pha ke uNkanyezi esenzela ke umculo ke we-Afro Pop ke namapiano. Usebenze ke kule ngoma no Leo B no DJ nguye ke uKay Smart besithi yofika ingoma emandi kakhulu ke. Yeah, ndiyabuza apha ku-2023 Nkanyezi singalindela ntoni kuwe? Ikhona i-EP osipana phezu kwayo kanye album?
Yes, ngikade ngikhiphe i-album early this year, but ke iyalandela i-follow up yakhona ezophuma ngoDecember. So kuzophuma i-EP ye-Afro Pop, ngisebenza nayo Leo B, ngisebenza nayo K Smart, and ngisebenza namanye futhi ama-artist ama-out3 amakhulu la eSouth Africa engeke ngiwasho khona manje. And then kuza futhi i-album ye-house esizoyikhipha ngoDecember. Yazi nje sivala unyaka kamnandi.
Yeah, ne. So abantu abafuna ingoma yakho bangayifumana kanjani? Available kweziphi platforms?
Ingoma yami itholakala everywhere, man. Yabona, if you want to connect with Nkanyezi, you can just search Nkanyezi Kubheka everywhere on internet. Ingoma zakhe zikhona for streaming.
Alright ke Nkanyezi baba, ndiyafuna into bake mhlambi usichazele ngeyiphi imvumi wena osanqwenela ukusebenza nayo apha ke ebomini. AP i-artist osafuna ucollaborate nayo mhlambi ke phambi koba uqhubeke nobomi bakho?
Oh, ama-artist afuna ucollaborate nawo ngasho ngithi maningi, kodwa nje just to top it off ekhanda ngasho ngisebenza no-Abza the Small. It's one of the greatest piano legends in South Africa. And then when it comes to a different genre, Big Zulu is doing amazing things.
Okay, eminyakeni emihlanu ezayo uzibona uphi Nkanyezi?
Nkanyezi is becoming a bigger brand every day, and it's all the love that I'm getting, the support, and all of these artists allowing sebenza now. Ngasho nje ngithi ngiyathanda ukubona lama artists engisebenza nawo sengiwanceda ngiwabeka kwama-platform, because it's something I've always been doing for the past decade. So njengoba wesipusha nje siyaphushela, and sifuna ukubona lokho, becoming a bigger brand and accessing umhlaba wonke with our products. So yeah, ngasho nje ngisho ukuthi as long as the support isaqhamuka kanje sihamba kahle.
Okay, okugcina nje asikhulume ne-youth especially ke kwi-upcoming artist, ungathini ukubakhuthaza? Yeah, ndifuna ukhulume ne-youth okanye i-artist esaqalayo emculweni, uba encourage, ungathini?
Ama-artist asafuna ungena emculweni ngasho ngithi whatever you believe in, sound oyithandayo, bambelela kuyona, uphushe, uqhubeke. You must always believe in yourself, because akukho lula, kodwa if when uyayazi into oyifunayo konke kuzophumelela.
All right, utholakala kanjani uNkanyezi on socials and for bookings? Iweske bese sigqiba ngaphula sivala. Yeah, besibuza ke utholakala kanjani on socials and for bookings?
Ama-booking kaNkanyezi ngiwathola, it is uNkanyezi Kubheka kuwonke ama-social media, And yeah, yonke information izinto engizenzayo ama-contacts atholakala lapho. It's one word, Nkanyezi Kubheka.
Alright bamba, asibonge ngesikhathi sakho sikufisela nje okuhle konke ebomini.
Cela uphinde futhi.
Siyabonga ngesikhathi sakho sikufisela nje okuhle kuphela Nkanyezi. No, siphulukene naye baphulaphuli 23 yemizuzu phambi kwensimbi yakhe ngo-5 o'clock bese sigqibile uvile ke ngaye ke uNkanyezi. Masikhangele phaa kwalicala xa sibuya zingoma zabaphulaphuli.
Drive just so the DJ Abza and the coolest guy Monday to Friday. But it's so much let's start.